Hi, everybody. I'm here with Bella. She is joining our practice and she is a Reiki and Hypno-Breathwork specialist. Do you want to tell us a little bit about that, what you do?
Yeah, so Reiki is a hands-on or hands-off energy healing technique,
Okay,
and it works to help calm the nervous system.
okay,
We clear any blockages,
okay,
works with your chakra systems, and it's really a great way to decompress and just like reach a deep state of relaxation.
yeah,
Yeah, I
okay,
really love it. And then hypno breath work is it's a breathing practice.
okay,
So we're doing a conscious breath work that I guide us through, and
okay,
it combines visualization as well to help you kind of clear out any limiting blocks, beliefs that
okay,
no longer serve you.
okay, great.
Yeah.
Yeah. I actually had a session from her a couple of weeks ago now, and it was about 30 minutes, but it was super relaxing. I mean, I went in there, I was a little bit frazzled anyway from kids and work and all the other stuff that's going around us, and it just really kind of helped me calm down, and I felt like a big weight had been lifted off my body, to be honest. So and then so I know you when we met you and you came in to see me before you work with kids, right,
Mm-hmm.
on autism spectrum.
Yeah, so I
So
was working as a RBT with kids on the
okay,
spectrum.
and then
Yeah.
what made you kind of get into this?
So I got into Reiki actually following a wisdom tooth
Okay,
removal
okay.
surgery. Yeah, my jawbone started to die.
Oh,
It's really
okay.
random and rare, but just through this woman who was helping me walk my dogs because I had a PIC line,
Oh,
like,
okay.
yeah,
So you
it
had
was a
yeah,
pretty
yeah.
intense like healing journey.
Okay.
So I met this woman who was helping me like walk the dogs, and she had a best friend who was a Reiki practitioner.
Okay.
She's like, you have to come try it out. She was certified in yoga nidra as well.
Okay. Okay.
And so I went with her, and I had like the most profound like healing experience.
Sweet.
Yeah, so I've
Okay.
just been hooked ever since, and it helped me get my smile back because
Yeah, that's awesome.
that was the big
Okay.
thing.
Yeah,
The
that's
doctors didn't know if I'd be able to
oh
smile
wow.
after
Okay.
the surgery, but
Okay. Okay.
yeah. So I really feel like Reiki
Helped. Yeah, yeah. That's
had my
awesome.
back. Yeah.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
So that's always, my story was always I was in a car accident. I went and saw a chiropractor and like what you did, and then I became a chiropractor. So that's
There you
great.
go.
Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, if you want to come see her, give us a call, or you can go on our site and make an appointment for Reiki or Hypnobirthbook. Okay.
Yay.
Thank you.